Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today, again, I'll show you how to connect this particular Boya BY-WM4 PRO-K2 transmitter along with receiver mic system, okay, which I last day just unboxed it, and these were the components were inside this package. Inside there was some bag, okay, and from the bag, this was the bag, and from the bag these particular things were uh, got out, and there are some wires, okay. So this particular transmitter and receiver, every of the transmitter and receiver would require some AAA size battery for its power supply, okay. So this one is the receiver, okay. So I'll provide two batteries, AAA size batteries over here inside it. As per their polarity, I'm putting it like this, okay. The receiver is ready and its power on indicator is showing that there is some power, okay. So I'll put the batteries like this on the transmitters, and in this video I'll show you, I'll try to connect my Samsung smartphone and try a test video on it to show you guys how to completely configure this particular mic system, okay. So to do so, I have first to put these batteries on inside these transmitters also, okay. So I require one transmitter to be turned on, and there will be the mic input. I'll put this particular mic inside the mic input, okay. So this is the thing, and I require the transmitter, the receiver. This is the receiver one, okay. So in the receiver, I'll again connect one 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter one to its headphone jack, and the other end of this thing I'll connect with my Samsung F15 mobile, okay. So this is my Samsung F15 mobile, and I have made the camera ready to demonstrate you guys how to attach and test, okay. So I am just putting this 3.5 millimeter jack to its 3.5 millimeter jack, okay, port, and over here let us see these things are connected. No, sorry, this one, the receiver is not yet turned on, so this is turned on and ready for the reception, and this one was the transmitter. So now I'll talk with this particular mic and see whether this video is recording or not, okay. So I'm turning on the video, starting the video on my Samsung F15 with the transmitter receiver attached, and I'll be talking with the transmitter right here right now, okay, to check how the signal quality or how the voice quality it is receiving, okay. So I'm turning on this video. Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today this is the test video on Samsung F15 of this Boya BY-WM4 PRO-K2 over here. This is the particular model, okay, I have purchased. This is the test video, and I don't know how the video will be, how the voice quality will be there. So, and this particular thing I have purchased from Amazon right before day before yesterday, and this was delivered yesterday, and in the previous video I have made a video how to unbox and what were the inside the box, okay. So let us now stop the video to check whether and what the video quality or the voice quality is received, okay. So now let us check how the video quality or the voice quality is there. This is Das from Das Tech. Today this is the test video on Samsung F15 of this Boya BY-WM4 PRO-K2 over here. This is the particular model. Okay, I have purchased. This is the test video, and I don't know how the video will be, how the voice quality will be there. So, and this particular thing I have purchased from Amazon right before day before yesterday, and this was delivered yesterday. And in the previous video I have okay, so this has been tested with my Samsung Galaxy F15 model, which is working very fine. This was, I just tested one of the transmitter over here. So now let us check with the another transmitter whether and how the another transmitter is working. Basically I'll be trying and testing how these things has been delivered. So this is another transmitter. I'll make it turned on, and obviously I have again to connect this port, receiver port, to the 3.5 millimeter port of this Samsung Galaxy F15. Okay, so now again I'll go to the camera's video. Okay, now I'll test another transmitter over here. So let us test. Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today this is the second transmitter I am testing of this particular Boya BY-WM4 PRO-K2, and this is the second transmitter I am testing. I don't know whether my voice will be clearer or not. So let us test. So I have taken the video and I'm stopping the video to check how the video voice quality was. So this is the video. Okay, so let us play the video. From the stake today, this is the second transmitter I am testing of this particular Boya BY-WM4 PRO-K2, and this is the second transmitter I am testing. I don't know whether my voice will be clearer or not. So let us test. So I have taken the video. Okay, so both of the transmitters are working very fine. So this particular Boya BY-WM4 PRO-K2 is the I purchased from Amazon, and I am very much happy with the sound quality of this one. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for your time. And if you like these videos, just press the like button on my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye bye.